I mentioned, but I need to mention this. Yes.
Don't kill me.
Oh, so okay. Cut. No. And she's like, yeah, I told you I don't want this. I know how it goes. But Rukmini, thank you for joining us. And you keep smiling. आप यूं ही अपनी खूबसूरती हमारे साथ ले आए. You're naturally so pretty. I always tell you this. How are you naturally so beautiful? But it's such an honor to have you here with us. Thank you so much. And Nurvi, will you say something for Dad? What's the? Okay, I want to ask you a question. Am I allowed or no? But if you say yes only, okay. So tell me, when you come back from school, what's the best thing you like to do with Dad? You like to play with him, or you like him playing the piano, or you tell Dad you like to sit on his back and play, a game. What do you like? Or you want him to take you in the car for a drive or play sport with him. What is it? Or you just love Dad? Yeah, it's okay. I mean, he's my dad. I mean,
What do you like doing?
she's like, he's a superstar for you, but he's my dad. What do you like? Watching movies? Oh, which is your favorite movie of Dad? Have you watched any of his movies? No, he is the best star. My entire family, society achievers, my entire family, we all, and the entire world is mad for him. Crazy for his great acting skills. You know that? Okay, so anyways, he's your dad, so perfectly fine. Thank you, Nuri, thank you so much. Thank you. So we're going to start with the Q&A. Somebody want to sit and do it? Or bed? Yeah, can we have chairs here, please? Yeah. We just arrange for a few chairs. The talk show taking place here.
I'm honored because 20 years, it's been 20 years since Johnny Gadar released. It's been 20 years since, I'm constantly putting my effort and best foot forward to just carve my small little niche and place in this beautiful industry. But honored, why? Because I have friends and family, I call them friends and family, who are always so supportive. Ashok ji is one such human being in my life that I'm extremely grateful to have, and I always thank the Almighty up there. Abhi, in fact, मैंने आपसे अभी कहा कि आपसे ज़्यादा शायद अगर कोई प्यार करता है तो मैं है ना, बट क्योंकि 20 साल में दोस्त बहुत आते हैं, बहुत जाते हैं, बट 20 साल की दोस्ती निभाना बहुत मुश्किल होती है। और आई थिंक मेरे साथ ही नहीं, अशोक जी ने पूरी इंडस्ट्री के साथ जिस किस्म की दोस्ती निभाई है, जिस किस्म का प्यार, जिस किस्म की इज्जत हम सब पूरे इंडस्ट्री को दी है, उतना ही प्यार अगर हम इतना, यानी शब्दों में भी बटोर नहीं पाऊंगा मैं कि हमें इतनी इनकी इज्जत करते हैं। एंड्रिया जी, थैंक यू सो मच कि मुझे इस लायक समझा कि आज आपकी सोसाइटी अचीवर्स के मैगजीन के फ्रंट पेज पे आपने मेरा चेहरा रखा है। यू पब्लिश्ड मी एज योर फ्रंट फेस एंड इट ट्रूली मीन्स अ लॉट। बट आई थिंक ओनली अचीवर्स अंडरस्टैंड द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ अदर्स। एंड आप जब एक मकाम पे पहुंच जाते हैं, मेरे पिताजी ने हमेशा मुझे ये सिखाते हैं कि जब लाइफ में तुम किसी एक पड़ाव को पार करके कहीं और चले जाओ तो पीछे मुड़ के एक बार सिर्फ जरूर देख कि कोई और है तो नहीं गया, उसे भी आगे ले आना, वो भी कोशिश करो। वरना लोग कहते हैं ना कि पीछे मुड़ के मत देखो, बट मेरे पिताजी ये कहते हैं कि यू मस्ट लुक बैक वंस टू सी इफ देयर इज एनीबॉडी एल्स हु नीड्स यू। एंड आई थिंक अशोक जी इज दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग। He's achieved it. Now we make sure his friends, his family, everybody achieves it. Today, to give me this kind of pedestal, again, of course, like I said, it's truly an honor. Of course, needless to say, आपने काफी बार mention किया मेरे परिवार का नाम लेकर। मेरे नाम में ही बहुत एक वजन है। मैं उनकी लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते रहता हूँ, मेहनत करते रहता हूँ, और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि I don't disappoint neither my fans, my viewers, or of course my media brothers. I've known many of these faces for decades, We have senior journalists and reporters out here who I've known since the time I've probably even before I debuted. इतनी इज्जत है इन सब के लिए और आपका आज कीमती समय निकाल के आप यहाँ पे हैं उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. नील नितिन मुकेश as Nitin and Mukesh. आपने कहा my father is going for his tour. While we are talking, I was just luckily he has internet on flight.
Yeah.
So we were chatting and Nurvi just came back from school and I rushed them. I said, listen, I don't know, she's away. We like to keep her away from media attention and from my films so that she has a very normal upbringing. But of course, she keeps questioning me when she gets attention at an airport. She'll ask me questions like, Papa, why are you famous? Why are people wanting to take pictures with you? So today I thought that, since I'm surrounded with family,
Yes.
I thought this was one occasion I wanted my wife and my daughter to be with me. Because my achievement is, I will not just say it for effect, is completely incomplete without Rukmini and Nurvi. Rukmini is one of the most selfless human beings in my life and of course one of the finest mothers, finest wives, finest partners, finest daughter-in-law. If I can have more praises for her, again, there'll be less. She's a lovely lady and I cannot thank God enough that He's given Rukmini in my life. So today for me, Ashokji asked me, do you want to call anybody special? I knew my father's traveling, I told him that. But I said then, these two ladies who've been, my pillar in every way. They've been a support system to me, so sacrificial. And sometimes I forget that I have two beautiful ladies in my house also who might require attention. But they just let me be. They give me my space. They allow me to learn my lines, loud and clear. I'm doing Malayalam right now. I'm doing a very big pan-India action film. So I have to recite my Malayalam lines, my Telugu lines, my Hindi lines. And I have my beautiful ladies who keep constantly taking my lines up for me. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
अशोकजी बहुत शुक्रिया वापस.
अभी क्वेश्चंस और हैं. हाँ, अभी क्वेश्चंस और हैं. हमने चेहरे की बात की. So जब बॉलीवुड फ्रेटर्निटी में हमारे इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हमने चेहरा देखा नील नितिन मुकेश का, everyone was awestruck. You have the looks, the supremely good looks, not just of an Indian actor but international actor, par excellence. And your acting is absolutely on the top of the world in every nook and corner of the world where we really praise you. आपने चेहरे की बात की. I really want to tell you this, that when you played an antagonist in your first film, people would obviously want you to play the protagonist, for every film, and it suits you so well. And I think you created a different niche for yourself altogether. Was this deliberate, or was it that the role was offered to you? We really want to also have this as a message to those who are looking forward to, having an entry in the world of films. So please tell us a little bit about this, because we always have this question in our hearts. But he's the first antagonist. कि antagonist का role play करके भी हम इनसे बेशुमार प्यार, इश्क और मोहब्बत करते हैं. नील नितिन मुकेश. तो प्लीज इसके बारे में बताएं.
नहीं तो ये सवाल is in fact a legacy. I do come from privilege of an industry knowing our existence, but that's just about it. Nobody guarantees you work here. Nobody guarantees you your film. So all the hard work, the effort had to be put from my father, after his father, into my father, from my father to me, my brother. We all have to put our best foot forward, go through our struggle, go through the grind. Of course, it sounds really nice, when you know that, okay, I know X person. But landing the first film was extremely tough. And back then I had heard that, there were big debuts happening of 25, 30, 40 crore rupee films with big star kids being launched, etc. So I knew that I had just one single shot at it. And people, said, Neil, why don't you do a rom-com and maybe that's the best debut. But I said, no, I think I need to do a film which will showcase my talent. So I started hunting for a film which was just up my alley, but an ensemble cast. Maybe if, unfortunately, even if God forbid the film didn't work, people would still take notice of me. I'm not pegging myself just as a hero, but as an actor. People will, maybe bet on me as an ensemble cast, yet another role maybe. So all those questions kept building up in my mind. And one fine day I met a lovely person called Jhamu Subanji in a party that I wasn't supposed to be. वैसे लोग कहते हैं और ये शायद आपने भी सुना है कि पार्टीज में कभी कुछ काम होता नहीं मिलता और मैं भी उसी एजेंडा से गया था कि शायद यहाँ पे मुझे काम मिलने वाला है नहीं but I went to represent my father and coincidentally he was traveling, he was world touring at that point of time and I was standing at a bar and I was surrounded with some really beautiful ladies because I knew all of them, they were very dear friends and this old, tall gentleman walked up to me and he introduced himself as Jhamu Subanji and he was the producer of Roja, Dil Se, Hum Dil Je Chuke Sanam and many other legendary films. We didn't have social media back then, we didn't have internet, we only had magazines. Even back then to know faces. अच्छा Jhamu Subanji का नाम तो पहचान गया हूँ मैं. अच्छा ये आप हैं क्योंकि producers are very shy of coming up on in front of the camera. Now we are all extremely savvy. So cutting the story short, he offered me 2 films. One was a film called Johnny Gaddar and a film called Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na at the same time. And I said Johnny Gaddar, it just rang a bell and I read Sriram Raghavan out there. And I said this is the gentleman who made Ek Hasina Thi. And I was on a flight to Delhi when my mother and I were in economy and I was going for my sister's wedding and I told my mom to read the film out to me so that I can visualize the film as she reads it to me. As your kids and you read a story with your mother, you remember the story by heart, right? So I asked her to do that and I just kept visualizing the film. By the time the flight landed, she said, "Tum ye film nahi kar rahe ho." My mother said that you're not doing this film. I said, why? She said, you're killing 5 people in this film. How can you do this? I said, yeah, and one of them is Dharamji also. And he was the only one who was cast. So I said, Mom, I think this is the film I should do. Because, otherwise people will expect Mukeshji's grandson, sing-song, love story, blah, blah, blah. So this is a film that if I do, and if I get, by the way, I'll ace it. And then of course, the rest is history. I came back, I auditioned for it. Sriram Raghavan gave me a chance to audition it. The gentleman who did my audition was Anurag Kashyap. And and then there were many anecdotes and many stories for a longer session, for sure.
Beautiful! Now, I really took note of every bit of अगर एक्शन सीक्वेंस के बाद इनकी आवाज़ ऐसी है तो हम सब जानते हैं but that's his passion जैसे कि मैंने कहा today it's very soulful and now I'm going to request Ashok Damankar sir to speak a few words. Ashok sir, I've seen Neil everywhere, every red carpet, every big event, what he's with you at society, every event. Sir, truly it's really like a family. What do you like to say today with Neil and Mukesh on the cover page along with his family, where he's given his heart and soul to you here, please?
Good evening, friends. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Neil, thank you so much. आपने जो प्यार मुझे और मेरी फैमिली सोसाइटी अचीवर्स को और मैं बहुत thank you so much for all your lovely words which you have said about me and Society Achievers. फ्रेंड्स मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। नील इट्स अ वेरी टैलेंटेड एक्टर भाई, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एक्टर ही इज अ गुड सोल। एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि ऐसे टैलेंट को हमने खोज किया और अपनी मैगजीन के थ्रू लाखों लोगों तक इनकी जो स्टोरी है वो पहुंचाने का हमें मौका दिया है। थैंक यू सो मच। Society Achievers is enjoying almost 1 million readers तक ये मैसेज हम अपने रीडर के थ्रू पहुंचा देंगे। एंड थैंक यू सो मच once again for giving us such wonderful opportunity to carry your story, and I'm sure all our readers will be delighted to read all your success. Thank you so much. Andrea, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, please. Hi everyone, thank you for being here. Neil, it's an honor. It was an honor to interview you. Ashok is really very fond of you, and he has always spoken very highly about you. I have watched your first film and seen you at award shows, etc. And your talent is phenomenal. The way you carry yourself, the way you the vibe you give out, your aura, it's really very down to earth and very humbling. And so when Ashok said, what do you think of me for the cover, I said, yeah, fabulous. And then you gave us such a lovely interview, Neil, and so cooperative, and everything worked out, so smoothly. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, I'm sure your story is going to be read by millions, and everyone is going to enjoy it. Thanks a lot.
ये उसने भी कहा क्या जिंदगी ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और बता सच है, सब सच है क्या जिंदगी ख्वाब है मैंने हम के मारे दिल को दी एक प्याली भर के मैंने हम के मारे दिल को दी जहर ने मारा जहर को मुर्दे में फिर जान आ गई जिंदगी ख्वाब है ख्वाब